The starter motor is comprised of a starter gear with an overrun clutch, an armature, field coils, brush holder with brushes, and a starter solenoid. When the ignition key is turned, current flows through the starter solenoid windings, pulling the solenoid plunger and one end of the starter drive gear lever inwards. This forces the starter gear to move outwards and make contact with the flywheel of the engine. When the solenoid plunger moves, it also closes a switch which allows current to flow through the field coils and through the brushes to the armature. The field coils create a magnetic field that cause the armature, an electromagnet, to rotate. The armature is connected to the gear which drives the flywheel. When the starter drive gear becomes worn, the plunger is unable to pull the lever, resulting in a no-start condition, as the pinion gear is unable to come in contact with the flywheel. When this failure occurs, the whirring noise from the starter can be heard, but the engine does not turn over. Another common failure of the starter is worn starter solenoid contacts. With repeated use, the contacts can wear away, creating high resistance for the current passing through the solenoid. If the resistance is great enough, the current flowing through the solenoid will be insufficient to drive the starter motor, and as a result, the engine will not start.